Find the values of 5 other trigonometric functions if sec x is equal to 13 by 5, x lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so x lies in this quadrant, which means cos and sec are going to be positive values. All the other functions are going to be negative values. This means all sine, tan and cos. Okay, so we have sec x is equal to 13 by 5. That means in this particular right angle triangle, sec x would be sec x would be what? Sec x would be what? Sec x would be this hypotenuse, which is 13, and the adjacent side, that is 5. So we need to find this particular side, right? Let's just call it A. So by Pythagoras' theorem, we have 5 squared plus a squared is equal to 13 squared, or a squared plus 25 is equal to 169, or we can write this down, a squared is equal to 169 minus 25, which is 144. Therefore a squared is equal to 144, or a is equal to plus or minus root of 144. That means a is equal to plus or minus 12. But since this is the side of a triangle, therefore it would be a positive value, which is equal to 12. Okay, now let's get down to finding the other functions. So sec x is given as 13 by 5. That's clear. Therefore cos x would be 5 by 13, since it's just a reciprocal of sec x, right? Next, let's find sin x. So sin x, we know the value would be negative because the angle is in the fourth quadrant and sin x is positive in second and first quadrant. So the value of sin x is opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, which is 12 by 13, but with a negative sign because remember the angle is in the fourth quadrant. So cosec x becomes minus 13 by 12 because it's just a reciprocal of sin x, and tan x is equal to 12 by 5, opposite side by adjacent. And since the angle lies in the fourth quadrant, tan is also negative because tan is positive in the third and the first quadrant. So this is a negative value. And then we have cot x, that is just a reciprocal of this tan x value, which in this particular case happens to be minus 5 by 12. Okay, those are the 6 functions and their values, and we arrive at our answer. Okay.